We start our third full season broadcasting high school football games in primetime, and we kick off 2024 with a rare Thursday night game. Des Moines Hoover and Perry will do battle tonight on Iowa's Weather Channel 13.4. Keith Murphy and Justin Surrency are on the call for tonight's game. They join us from Mediacom Stadium. Fellas, happy football season.
Happy football season to you too, Mark. It's good to be here at Mediacom Stadium. It's the first game we've carried in prime time. You can see the Perry Blue Jays lined up behind us. And Justin, just a couple of years ago, both Perry and Hoover had to temporarily suspend their varsity football programs because of low numbers. Now they have a couple of head coaches trying to build it back and get them to the competitive level.
Yeah, both of these coaches are fairly new to the head coaching role. Theo Evans, this is his second year, and then the coach for Perry, Josh Vanderdam, this is his first year as a head coach, second with the team as the strength coach last year. But that's what it takes, continuity. You have to have these kids trust to know that you're going to stick around. Think about the great teams, whether it's Dowling, Southeast Polk, Van Meter. All of those coaches have been there for multiple years, some decades, and that's what it takes, some trust, some ownership that you're not going to leave these kids, and familiarity with the offense and defensive playbook. Now, both of these teams have a little bit of that. This isn't their first go-around with these guys, and that's going to be a key. I think we're going to see a different team on both sides, Huskies and Blue Jays, than what we saw last year. Don't let the records fool you from a year ago. This is a team on both sides that has some familiarity with their playbook, with their ability. A win this day right here could set the tone of belief, and you could start rattling off wins. So this could be a moment where we're witnessing the change of the course of both of these teams.
We talked to both coaches about what a win tonight would mean.
Surprise.
Yeah, it's a good team to compete with for game one for sure. They have a pretty unique offense with, I think, any team that runs that kind of offense, it's kind of like a wing T style offense is what it sounds like. So as long as we can stop the ball at the line of scrimmage, I think we're going to be good. So we got to prepare our team to do the best and do the fundamentals right this week.
We talk about it all the time. You know, there's a lot of wins on and off the field, and we can find any moral victories we want. But at the end of the day, we've been working for something for 3 years now, and that something is a win. So we're looking for that this Thursday night.
Both teams looking for that W to start the season. It's the Perry Blue Jays and the Hoover Huskies. You can watch on Iowa's Weather Channel 13.4, WHO13.com live stream, or on MC22. It's good to start a night early, I think. Let's get it going.
It really is. We didn't want to wait, so we're bringing you football on Thursday.
All right, Blue Jays and Huskies kicking off in about 40 minutes.
Yes, we are looking forward to it. Thank you, Keith Murphy and Justin Surrency, live from Mediacom Stadium. Again, kickoff tonight at 7 o'clock between Perry and Hoover.